Hey guys, Leck here. I want to show you a quick video how to extend your oven or dryer gas hose if it's too short and you don't have access to a longer one. Basically what you're doing is we're combining two kits into one. You're spending a lot of money this way. Each kit, this range gas oven kit is about $40. This is the 48-inch hose kit. If you have the time and you're not in a rush, you can definitely go on Amazon, I've seen, and you can get a 6-foot hose or maybe even longer online and save some money. But if you're in a jam like we are and we gotta get this done now, basically we got an extra kit and we got this fitting, 1/2 inch, and this is gonna connect one of the fittings that are already in here like this, and then we're gonna connect the two hoses together with the tapered ends with the crush washers that's on these hoses. This section we're connecting with Pro Dope, or you can use the Teflon gas tape as well, but I would recommend using this for any connections for the gas that require. But first we're gonna turn off our gas, which is turned off. We're gonna unscrew the current hose we have, which was just installed. Make sure that there's no damage to the lip here as we're reusing this. So if it's an old hose, definitely double check. It's good to replace it though. This is a new hose we just installed, so we're reusing it still. And now we're gonna prep a connection. So we're gonna get our Pro Dope. I'm gonna put a generous layer. And the reason we're doing it this way because I didn't see a converter like that available at Home Depot, so. I'm gonna just tighten this up. We are good. Wipe the excess off. We're gonna check everything for leaks once fully assembled. All right, so now we can connect the two hoses together. So I'm gonna grab the adapter. Either way is fine. This one doesn't have any check valve in it. So remember, tapered ends, we're not using any product, any tape. The crush washer connects to this and this together and keeps a good connection. So make sure they're flat against each other. I'm gonna tighten this up, give it a little wiggle, make sure it's lined up. And then we'll just lock this down. Doesn't require a lot of pressure once you tighten it. So that's good. Now we move on to the next one. Either end is fine. Same idea. Line this up and just tighten down. Now we connect it back to our gas line. Same idea with this one as well. Flared into this, tapered in, drop it on, and just tighten it down. Grab the bottom here with the wrench so I don't rotate anything. And you are good. Full extension now. Plenty of room to work with. Main thing now, we want to check for leaks. So you can use something like this. It's basically a leak detector fluid, bubbles up. If you don't have this, use Windex, use Fantastic, something household cleaner that will produce bubbles. So we can turn on our gas. And now we soak everything to make sure we don't have any leaks. Or spray down, whatever you're using. Get in here as well. And look for any bubbles. Which we don't have, so we're good. And we're gonna do the same over here by the main connection. We're good, guys, that's it. Extension done. Thanks for watching. Next thing is just turn on your oven, make sure everything's working properly, and you're set to go. Thank you. So the only thing that's left to do now is plug the oven to electricity so you can create the spark. We got power, and now we just test it. And there we go. We got gas. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that's helpful. And any questions, comments, mention below. Subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos. Thank you.